how to make super basic chord for beginners. For the basics, you only need to know two types of scale, major and minor. Let's jump right in. Open up your piano roll like you normally do. We are gonna use the C scale here since it's easier to understand. First, for a major chord, just leave a gap of 3 below and 2 notes above. Boom, that's major chord. For a minor chord, just copy the major chord and lower the middle note by 1. And now you've got a minor chord. The only difference between major and minor is right there. Major is 3 below and 2 above, while minor is 2 below and 3 above. Apply this to whatever melody you are going for. Like, let's say I wanna make something that sounds like this. Just trust your ear. Maybe I'll try minor first. Okay, this sounds weird to me, so it must be a major chord. So now I've got a 1 minor and 3 major. It really depends on the melody you are going for, so just trust your ear. If it sounds a little empty, just copy this whole part and move it up an octave. And there you go. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoy tutorial like this, make sure to follow, guys.